Hi, this is Art with OCRV in Anaheim, California. Hey, we're just here today in this coach. I want to show you what not maintaining your coach will do to you. So this coach has had a small leak that has just been perpetually getting worse and worse and worse. And it's all hidden up behind the headliner. So, but all of a sudden one day your headliner starts sagging and then you start poking at it, and this is what you end up with. So my advice to every RV owner is have your roof inspected and resealed. Have your roof looked at on your coach. I don't care if you buy a brand new coach, a year into it, I would have my roof looked at. Make sure that it's sealed and all the lap sealing is proper on it. So if you have an RV, bring it to us and we'll inspect the roof and reseal it for you.